Hey there! Welcome to day 11. We only have a few more days left in the challenge, and I want to take the time today to do a tracker review. So what you're going to need today is your daily tracker that you've been filling out every day since the challenge started. We're going to pop into the private group and we're going to do a live session with everyone in the challenge, and we're really going to pinpoint what it is that we are celebrating. We're going to celebrate all of our wins because undoubtedly there are some super amazing things that you guys have been doing, and I have been seeing it in the group, but I wanted to hear you talk about your wins that you've achieved during this challenge. And then we are also going to pinpoint the places of improvement. There, of course, are going to be places and things that you can improve upon. Listen, before we go into this, we've been talking about mindset, so I really want your mind to be in the right spot. Do not lie to me about what it is that you think that you maybe haven't been doing correctly. It does not make your experience better. It does not make my experience better. It doesn't make the group as a whole experience better if you don't keep it 100. Okay, so I need you to just be completely honest. If you haven't been drinking all your water every day, that's cool. That's a point of improvement. Don't worry about fabricating and, telling us you've been doing all these great things and everything's been going 100% perfect. And if it has been going 100% perfect, kudos to you. But if it has not, no shame. Remember, this is a no judgment zone. We are here to help each other and get us to the right point. And if you don't keep it real and you tell us, I've been eating all my vegetables, or I've been drinking all my water, and I've been doing all my treatments and all that kind of stuff, but you really haven't been doing them on a consistent basis, it's not going to serve you. You're not going to get the results that you want by not telling us the truth, so that we can find where your points of improvement can be, so that we can make sure that even beyond this challenge, your hair is set up for success. The only way I'm going to be able to know that is if you tell me the truth. Okay? So again, no shame whatsoever. So get all that out. Don't feel any shame. There are going to be people who are going to join the live today who are going to say, I haven't been doing this one thing, or I haven't been doing these 3 things, or, I thought I was doing this right, but I wasn't. And that is what this session is for. Okay. So I want to take today to really make sure that we are looking at our trackers and we are pinpointing the spots that maybe we've fallen off of a little bit. But I also want to take the time to make sure that we're celebrating the things we have done correctly, because that is something to be highly celebrated. And you should be so proud of yourself. You are in day 11. You have made it this far through this challenge. We only have 25% of the challenge left to go, and you made it, girl. You made it. So we're gonna celebrate all that stuff. So make sure you have your tracker ready. You should have already been filling it out along the way. And we're going to have a whole session at a regularly scheduled time in the Facebook group. So I will see you then, and make sure you are ready. Because again, this is another reason why we have the private group, because this one may get a little bit personal. It might get a little intimate, and that's totally fine. That's what we're here to do. Okay. So I will see you later today, and I can't wait to see what progress you made, and I also can't wait to see what it is that we can what you might be able to improve upon, so we can make sure that you're set up for success beyond these 15 days for the long haul. All right, talk to you soon. Bye.